So we'll continue our discussion on Lilavati. Lilavati का बस स्क्रैच हो गया. Okay, here there is a puzzle related solved using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, here the actual concept is, actually the puzzle is like this. Example, if in a lake there are a large number of goody geese and cranes, a lotus whose height above the water surface was 1 meter, half cubit, and its tip, bent by a wrestling wind, sang at a distance of 2 c. O mathematician, tell me quickly the depth of the water. So that is, a lotus is there and its tip is above the water. But when wind blows, it bends and the tip just touches the top of the surface. That way. Based on this value, you have to find the depth of the water. So here actually the point is, in the book, how it does it, you will give first give a formula and then use it with a numerical example. So the first phase is develop the formula. So here the actual point is, the case is like this. AC is the lotus, BC is the tip, and when it bends, it touches the water. It is AD is the lotus in water. So now this forms a right angle triangle ABD. So we have to find out depth. AC we have to find out, but what is given is BC, the lotus length, height above the water, and the BD, the distance at which it bends and touches the water. Okay, so the depth of the water. So the formula is height of the lotus feature is AC, and AD equal is AC is finally AD. Both are same. Both are the lotus length. So that is X. When the lotus move by wind, its tip touches the water at D. So BD is the arc, the distance. BC is the taken to be Y. BC is given. So you are given Y and R. You have to find out AC. So that is RAD, which is X. So X minus Y and R, X, they form a right angle triangle. X is the hypotenuse. So that way we get the depth of the water is half into 1 bracket R square upon Y minus 1. Height of the lotus is AC equal to X half into R square upon Y plus Y. See, actually it's an open problem, there are many solutions. So that is why Y parameter is used. Okay, O friend, the distance between B and the point where the lotus stems the water surface, D is the depth of the earth. Okay, so actually the example it is once he develops the formula, actually he explained how that formula is developed, and then the formula is used in an example. So here the Y equal to half, R equal to 2. Depth of the water is 1 by 2 bracket 4 by half minus half, 15 by C cubit. Length of the lotus is half 4 by half minus plus half equal to 17. So this is actually Lilavati is full of half of the book is geometry.